This male African jacana has been left holding the babies. For 4 weeks, he's cared for his eggs alone. And since they hatched 2 days ago, he's taken them under his wing. Jacana chicks hatch out as matchbox-sized mini-me's of the adults, and they're surprisingly independent. Just like dads, their huge, splayed toes spread their weight over a large surface area, so they can almost walk on water. Dad treads a delicate line between allowing his chicks the freedom they need to grow and keeping them safe. With polarized eyesight, African fish eagles see through glare reflecting off water and zero in on movement. When jacanas sense a threat, they usually scoop up their young and head for cover. But his chicks are scattered too far. So he sends out a secret alarm call. The chicks freeze. All Dad can do is hope they keep as still as possible. Once danger's past, he runs to pick them up. But one of his chicks is still missing, still frozen. But because she's underwater, she can't hear her dad's call. Crocodiles detect vibrations with their acutely sensitive skin. Those huge feet come at a price. Finally, Dad's call is close enough to be heard, and the chick moves towards it. At last, all back together.